Hey guys, so for the longest time I've been wanting a ducky keyboard, like the Year of the Goat one, the white one that like lights up with all the pretty colors. So I've been wanting that for a while, but I was a poor college student and I couldn't really afford one until I got my job. And then now I'm like, oh yeah, I have a job now, I can buy it. But Silent Dreamcast pulled a fast one on me and he got me a keyboard. And it's not just a regular keyboard, it's a mechanical keyboard that he made himself. Like, he took like an old keyboard, took it all out, put in LEDs, programmed it and everything. It's really awesome. And yeah, I'll show it to you guys. Here it is, guys. Sorry for the shadow, but it's really pretty and it sounds really nice and feels really nice. It doesn't sound annoying, but yeah, it's really pretty. Doesn't have like a number pad, but that's okay. I can live without it. Here it has like a little screen that shows all the different modes that the macros that he programmed into it. So if I hit function and up, nope. Oh, the numbers are like a programming thing that he was trying to do. So it's not really functional or anything, but let's see. Oh, up is the highest. So down, this is Tetris. So when I hit the Tetris key, then all the keys that I use for Tetris light up. Yeah. And then next one is, what is this one? This is Overwatch. So the Overwatch keys show up. And then Blade and Soul. Now all the Blade and Soul keys show up. Lots of them. And what else is there? None. Okay, so I guess none of the keys will show up here. And in addition to the modes, there's also like a background mode, which kind of layers on top of or underneath the regular modes. So if I hit function, okay, so the regular one is black, so no background. And then there's pink, so all pink. Let's put in a macro. So, okay, here's the Blade and Soul. So the pink goes in where all the empty Blade and Soul keys are, which is pretty cool. What else is there? What's this one? Rainbow! Rainbow! This is so awesome, you guys. And then Plasma. Plasma is pretty cool too. My favorite one is this one. This one's my favorite one. It like does random little drops of different color keys. Yeah, this is all the pretty cool stuff. My old keyboard that I borrowed from him had volume buttons and like different functional buttons, which these don't have any. So he programmed what is it? Control. No, it's function. Sorry, my bad. Function. Yeah, this is volume, and then certain different functions. It's really cool, you guys. I really like it. This is better than what I expected. He told me he was working on this, but I was expecting something not as cool as this, because this is like really cool. I don't know what I'm saying anymore, you guys. I'm just speechless, and I'm really excited to use this. It feels so nice, like really nice. Here's the mouse that I got with it, or for it, because it didn't come with a mouse, and I don't have an old mouse. Okay, I don't know what I'm saying anymore, you guys. Okay, bye!